Father's Day is a celebration honoring fathers and celebrating fatherhood, paternal bonds, and the influence of fathers in society. Let's ask your favorite television celebrities their messages for their father.
Just tell your dad that you really love him a lot, and I'm sure he'll see to it that you have the best Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Happy Father's Day to all the dads. I love all the dads.
Papa, I love you so much. Thank you so much for being my hero. I love you and a very happy Father's Day to you.
जो डैड और मैं हैं हम बहुत ही कमाल के दोस्त हैं कभी लगता है कि फादर का रिश्ता बाद में उनको याद दिलाना पड़ता है कि पापा कभी तो पिता की तरह बिहेव कर लिया करो हमारी यार मेमोरीज तो हर दिन बनती रहती हैं बहुत मज़ा आता है फादर्स डे डेफिनेटली इज़ अ स्पेशल डे माय डैड इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट डे एंड इट्स गोना बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन यार
More than anything, I just know that my dad is not very cool with something like a Father's Day. So I have done sneaky things like, literally packed a gift and kept it on the floor right next to his bed. So when he wakes up, he's just like, that's the first thing he sees because he hates me giving gifts.
My dad's not big on these days. He doesn't even know when his birthday is. So we just exchange like a very gruff, like, Dad, happy Father's Day. I love you. And he's like, thank you, I love you too. And that's it, because we get really awkward saying these things to each other. But yeah, that's about it.
My dad has always been my Santa Claus. हमेशा वो मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर करते हैं. I am actually my daddy's girl. वो मेरे लिए कुक भी करते हैं very very often. तो thank you पापा and I love you a lot.
पापा थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी सेज आई लुक लाइक यू मेरी पर्सनैलिटी मेरी आवाज़ आपकी तरह है तो आई थिंक मैं अगर आज टीवी पे हीरो बन पाया हूँ तो वो आप ही की वजह से है थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू यू
When I was a kid, he used to make me sit in his lap and have his lunch and dinner. He wouldn't leave me for a second also. I know I've become a little heavy now, but I wish I could just be as close to him even today.
All I can say is Daddy, you are the best. आप अगर नहीं होते तो मैं ये प्रोडक्शन नहीं संभालता हिंदी फिल्म का So you know what? All I can say is I love you so much and will always do.
मुझे सबने पूछा है कि आपने कभी एक्टिंग क्लासेस की है क्या तो नहीं मैंने कभी एक्टिंग क्लासेस नहीं की मेरे पापा ने ही मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट किया है एंड मैं जब भी ऑडिशन में जाती थी बचपन से भी तो मेरे पापा मुझे कराते थे स्क्रिप्ट लेके अच्छा बेटा ऐसे बोलो सो ही मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी ही इज़ बिन लाइक अ ग्रेट मोटिवेटर इन माई लाइफ एंड आई लव माई पापा आई लव यू
I am my dad's princess. Yes, this is very right. But I'm my mom's princess too. My mom also loves me a lot. And as far as pampering is concerned, मुझे दोनों अलग-अलग तरह से pamper करते हैं. But yes, I'm close to my father. Sorry, Mama.
On Father's Day, I would definitely like to wish my dad. Whatever I am, it is because of my family, and my father has played a great role. So yes, Dad, I really love you, and happy Father's Day.
So I'd like to wish my dad a very happy Father's Day. Dad, you are my backbone. I love you loads.
My father is so far away. I haven't seen him in like 5-6 years now because he's in the US. So Daddy, if you're watching the awards, happy Father's Day.
To all the fathers and daughters out there, we're really lucky to have fathers who are always there and protective about us. So wish all of you a very happy Father's Day.
ज़िंदगी में आपके फादर का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है I definitely want to thank my dad that he's my actually at the base. I love you, Dad. If you're hearing this, love you.
Both my parents a lot, but I think I am my daddy's girl. So I always wish well for my father. Unfortunately, he's not been keeping well, so I wish him a great and speedy recovery and the pink of his health. And Baba, I love you.
My father actually, because of him, I have taken a step into this industry because it was his dream to be an actor and I fulfilled that.
He's my role model, and like all fathers, we all aspire to be like our father. Like all sons, we aspire to be like our father. So same goes for me.
I will most likely wish my dad in the US, or better still, maybe I'll just catch my flight to the US and come back after a month.
सबकी फैमिली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है सो इस फादर्स डे मैं अपने डैड को सिंगापुर ले जा रहा हूँ घुमाने के लिए सो वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इट दैट सो आई होप कि उनको खुशी हो और वो खुश हों इससे एंड मेरे डैड के लिए और दुनिया के जितने भी डैड हैं जो अपने बच्चों को बहुत सारा प्यार करते हैं उनके लिए हैप्पी फादर्स डे
आई थिंक जब पेरेंट्स को विशेस देने की बात आ जाती है तो डेफिनेट सी बातें शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं बिकॉज पेरेंट्स आर समबडी जिसको हम सब कुछ ओ करते हैं सो मी स्टैंडिंग हियर आई ओ इट टू देम सो येस I would like to wish Papa a very 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 happy Father's Day. You know you're the hero of my life.
To all the fathers in the world, happy Father's Day. I think becoming a parent is a big deal. तो अपने बच्चों का ख्याल रखें और आपके बच्चों से आपको प्यार मिले. That's what I would hope.
My dad is my hero. Like
for all of us, I'm sure, again. My dad's been very unwell actually past few weeks. So I wish him a very, very speedy recovery. I want him to be hale and hearty again. And I want to actually go home for Father's Day. And I wish I can. At least for a day, so I can just see the smile on his face. But yeah, so I'm just, I'm looking forward to it.
My dad is my best friend. Whatever I am because of my father. He's very special for me and he knows it. So I don't have to say anything. I just have to say that I love you. Happy Father's Day.
You know, I don't say this to him very often. The only one thing that I've been telling him since I was a kid is my daddy's strongest. And, you know, I love you and you're my backbone. Thank you for everything.
I want to wish my father, he's up there, so his blessings are always with me, and happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I think we all love our fathers and not one day is enough to celebrate.
From Kritika Rao to all of you, a very happy Father's Day.
So I want to wish all the lovely fathers who have been there for their daughter unconditionally a very, very happy Father's Day.
I think I just want to wish you a very, very happy Father's Day. I think you are my hero, and whatever I've got today, all my sensibilities, is all thanks to you. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to it, and just God bless you.
So let's take out some time this Father's Day to make our Father's Week more special. Ashima with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Vivian Desana and you're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel.